Welcome to Salesframe, the sales enablement platform that lets marketing and management control the materials and the flow of conversation in sales meetings, and gives salespeople in the field all the tools and materials they need to have better customer interactions. In this video, we will show you the basic interfaces and functionalities of Salesframe and guide you through the process of presenting materials effectively in a sales meeting. Let's begin. This is the presentation mode in Salesframe, the most used interface for salespeople in the tool. This is our own Salesframe, the one we use in our customer interactions. Let's start with selecting the language. This is the Salesframe Storyboard, the main view of the presentation mode. The topics or links that you see here are the structure you can build and customize in the admin library. You can organize your content however serves you best, by product or service categories, customer types, different markets, or by the way you want to tell your company's story. The look is customizable as well, with custom colors, backgrounds, logo, and fonts. Use these links to browse categories and their subcategories. You can always go back by using this button on the left side of the screen. Under each topic, you find the materials related to that topic. Let's pick this one for example. Now, on the right side of the screen, you find the Library tab. In the Library view, you have the materials related to the topic you chose in the storyboard. Your materials can be anything from slides, PDF files, and PowerPoint presentations to pictures, videos, and even web content. You can browse those materials here, use the Preview button to quickly take a closer look at them, and add them to your presentation by simply clicking on the materials in the order you want them to appear. Quickly present your selected materials using the Play All as Slideshow button. You can add your personal files in the tool and view them anytime in the library by clicking My Files at the top of the screen. Click Library to go back to the materials uploaded by the admin. Now that you've selected some materials, you can go back to Storyboard, pick a different topic, go to Library, and add materials under a different topic to your presentation. All your selected materials are collected down here in the presentation deck. Open the deck to view all the materials in your presentation. Here, in the presentation deck, you have all your selected materials. If their order doesn't please you, click Reorder Slides and drag your materials in whatever order you want. If you want to remove something, just double-click on the icon and a Remove Selected button appears. Hit Play a Slideshow to present your materials. All the materials will appear in the slideshow, whether they're slides, images, videos, or web content. Click Save to save your presentation in Salesframe, export a PDF file for printing, or create a memo site which you can easily send to your customers after or even during the meeting. Just give it a name and you'll get an easily shareable link. Finally, let's take a look at your presentation menu. This menu button is always visible in the top left corner of the screen. In the presentation menu, you can start a new presentation which clears all the selected materials from the presentation deck and lets you start over. Under My Presentations, you see all the presentations you've previously saved. You can open them, make duplicates, remove unnecessary ones, or share your presentation with your colleagues. Just type in the names of everyone you want to share the presentation with and click Share. Under My Memo Sites, you can view all the memo sites you've saved and copy the link again to share it with your customers. You can view how many times the memo site has been opened and how long your customers have spent reading it. In the Actions and Notes tab, you can add action points and your own notes during or after a meeting. These notes and action points will be included in the memo site you send. That's it. Now you know the basics of presenting with Salesframe. So go out there, present your case, and win them over. Thanks for watching.